But I made my last movie 10 years ago. And it was a very small indie movie. So this really is my first Hindi film. And I hope that after this, I won't spend another 10 years till I make my next.
I remember meeting Shanti, who's my agent and also a really close friend of mine, and she said, there's this movie that we want to make. I said, you guys are producing now? I was like, what about me? So she's like, no, this is, of course, we'll always be your agents. I'll always be your agent. She always says this to me. And so I was like, so what? So she's like, this is the story and this is this girl. And I was like, but she's just like me. She's from Bombay and she went to this school and she went to this college and she did all of this. I was like, are you sure you want me to do this? I was like, this is a huge responsibility because she's this person and I'm just an ordinary girl from JVPD scheme. And she was like, but she was an ordinary girl as well from Bombay. And I said, okay, I think I should do it. I said, it's scary, but I'm gonna do it. I think anything emotionally challenging kind of makes you grow as a human being. So I don't think it's anything negative has come out of it. I think it's only positive because you learn how to be better through everything, and especially if something pushes you beyond a certain limit. And I think that's what it is. So everything that playing Neeja Bhanot has brought into my life has been positive, nothing negative. So it's not strained me, it's just made me stronger.
You know, quite a few years ago, Sonam came home. And the minute she walked into the drawing room, my mother said, "Ye ta laddu hai. She is Neeja." Today, after seeing this trailer, I said, this is the movie. So when Atul said, how did we trust him? You know, we just trust our first-time producer. Well, there it is, why we trusted him.
I said, I can't believe I get to leave this plane, and nobody else, and she didn't. So I think that's what you get out of something like this.
There is a responsibility that we have, and there was a journalist friend of mine who called up and said, Ram, do you realize what you're making, and do you realize the responsibility that is there on your shoulder? And to be trapped inside a plane for 16 hours and to try and see what that feeling, how do you capture that feeling of being inside there? And how do you actually even imagine the ordeal that the passengers would have gone through and that Neerja would have gone through was really what was unimaginable. And I think more than anything else, I hope that we have done justice to what happened that day in those 16 hours. Those passengers were trapped for 16 hours. And I hope that we've done justice to what they went through.
I think what is one thing that I found very similar was her attachment to her family. Second, the fact that she was extremely principled. I think that's something I struggle with every day because I feel like I'm a certain way and a lot of people around me are not. And I think it gives me courage to be like that because of this character. Because it's easy to kind of go into the grey area a lot of the times, especially in this industry and especially in the world we live in. But she never did. And I was like, if she didn't, why should I? So I think it's just being principled.
जब ये रोल मुझे ऑफ़र हुआ तो मुझे जो बात ख़ास, मैं एक सेंट्रल पॉइंट ढूंढती हूँ किसी भी कैरेक्टर का जब करती हूँ, और मुझे उसका सेंट्रल पॉइंट लगा था कि ये बहुत खरी औरत है, ये जो हैं जैसी दिखती हैं ठीक वैसी ही हैं। ये मुझे रमा जी से मिला था और मैंने कोशिश की है कि ये जो खरापन है रमा भनोट का पूरी तरह से वो पर्दे पर आ सके।
मैंने कुछ साइन नहीं किया अब तक, मैं सिर्फ अपनी बहन की फिल्म कर रही हूँ अभी। रिया ने एक फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, अब तक मैंने सिर्फ वो साइन किया है। आई एम इन टॉक्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बट मैं बहुत ही संकी हूँ, आप सब जानते हैं। मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ नेक्स्ट।
अनिल कपूर ने इसको मेरे पास भेजा था कि ये लड़की जो है एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती है, शबाना प्लीज़ इसको समझा दो, ऐसा नहीं करे। तो मैंने बहुत सीरियसली कहा मैं उसको बिल्कुल बोलूँगी। शी वाज वेरी स्कॉलरली, तो मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं उसको बोलूँगी कि देखो तुम जाओ और कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ो, एंड यू आर अ वेरी लंदन स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ो। और जब वो आई एंड शी सेड शबाना आंटी, आई वांट टू बी एन एक्ट्रेस, आई सेड बी एन एक्ट्रेस, आई विल बी विद यू ऑल द वे। एंड अनिल सेड एथ यू ब्रूथ। मैंने तो बिल्कुल अलग चीज़ों के लिए, इनफैक्ट जब ये इन्होंने जब सुनीता मेरे पास आई थी और कह रही थी कि मुझे जो है मैं चाहती हूँ कि सोनम डांस करे, तो उनकी कथक टीचर को भी मैंने ही इंट्रोड्यूस किया था। तो मेरे लिए वो मेरी बेटी ही है, कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है।
It was Libyan terrorists.
Correct. So do you see any trouble in getting this film?
No, but you must realize the first clip that you see is that this was one of those rare occasions when Neerja Bhanot was given an award by USA, Pakistan and India. So she really is quite extraordinary. There's no question of Pakistan taking it badly, because in fact they honored her and they honored her memory.
Very big award in Pakistan that she got, and it was also for human kindness. So the Pakistani government itself has actually honored her. So this is a film that speaks about how both countries, and including USA, have actually honored one girl.
She did something for everybody.
It was Pakistan that gave her the award much before India gave it. So I don't think Pakistan would have any problem with this.
I'm constantly scared
About what?
about everything. I'm actually got ridiculous stage fright. It takes me a lot to get on stage and talk to people. I've been and very, very, very shy person, very reserved person. When I was younger, I used to barely speak. My sister was the one who was very, remember this, Shabana auntie? मैं मेरे मम्मी के पीछे खड़ी रहती थी. I did not have the personality of an so-called actor, and so everything scared me. Everything scares me, but I still go ahead. I think I think people are always scared, and the fact that I still sit here and talk to you, and a lot of the times I'm so nervous that I laugh uncontrollably or say all the wrong things. And now people are really happy that I say all the wrong things all the time, but it's just because I'm nervous and scared, and I still try to, get over it every day. Now I've got the courage to go on stage and perform on stage and stuff like that after 8 or 9 years of being in this industry now. So I think everybody needs to overcome something or the other every bit of their lives.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.